All right, for the final part of your assignment, you get to choose what you do. If you'd prefer to just use the polygon tool and the transformation buttons, you're welcome to do so. If you'd like to use the formulas, you can. The only thing I require is that you tell me exactly what you did. So let's say, for example, I want to draw a flower. Maybe I'll start by drawing a pre-image, and I make it blue. I make it very clear what I did. I go ahead and use my pointer tool. I click and I start rotating my image, right? I'm going to rotate it around the center, and maybe I want to rotate it 90 degrees to begin with. That's what I have. Okay, now let me go ahead and take this image and rotate it again. This time I'm rotating my image, not my pre-image. I'm going to rotate that 90 degrees and see what I get, right? And then I'm going to keep on going until I have a really cool picture. Maybe I don't want to do rotations. Maybe I want to draw something different. Feel free to get creative with this. Feel free to use multiple types of transformations. So maybe you're just going to test this out and see what it looks like if I start with maybe a translation. And then I translate this image over here. Now let me see what it looks like when I reflect my image. Maybe I'm going to reflect the pre-image instead of the image, right? Ooh, that's pretty cool looking. Maybe I'll draw something like that. And then maybe I'll do the exact same thing to my first image just to see what I get here. So I'm going to reflect again. In this situation, I'll reflect here. Same thing. Maybe I have a bunch of paper airplanes flying on my screen. It is completely and totally your choice what you do here. Just tell me exactly what you did. You're welcome to tell me in words, or you can go ahead and take a screenshot of the formula side if you choose the formula. Completely and totally up to you. Have fun with this.